everyone, welcome to day 13 of 30 days lead code challenge. Today we are going to solve remove nth node from end of the list. This problem requires us to remove the nth node from the end of a given singly linked list and return the head of a modified list. For example, the input 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the n is equal to 2, so it will remove the second last element. So the output will be 1, 2, 3, 5. To solve this problem efficiently, we use two-pointer technique. The idea is to use one pointer to traverse the list and another pointer to find the nth node from the end. So here is the plan. In the first step, we will create a dummy node and initialize two pointers. In step 2, we will move first pointer to n plus 1 steps ahead. Now, in the next step, move both pointers until the first pointer reaches the end of the list and the second pointer will be then just before the node we want to remove. Then we will adjust the pointers to remove the target node from the list. So by keeping these steps in mind, let's start coding. First, we will declare a dummy node. And then we will add the head value at dummy.next. And now we will declare our two pointer, first and second, and initialize it to dummy. Now, for the next step, to move first pointer to n plus 1 steps, we will use a for loop, where I will be iterate from 0 to n. And inside the for loop, we will have a statement first is equal to first.next. And for moving both pointers until the first reaches the end, we will have a while loop, where first is not equal to null. And we will move both pointers now. So it will be like first is equal to first.next and second is equal to second.next. For removing the node, we will adjust the next pointer of the second pointer to skip the target. And then just return dummy.next. Now check if everything looks fine. I think it looks fine. Let's try to run this code. And it's working fine. Using a dummy node helps to simplify the logic, especially when node is to be removed is head. The two-pointer technique ensures we find the nth node from the end in single pass, making solution efficient with big of n time complexity. Also, this method handles various edge cases including removing the head from the node and the last node. Also, this method handles various edge cases like removing the head node and the last node. I think this approach ensures we can remove the nth node from the list efficiently and correctly. That's it for today's explanation. I hope you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more problem solving insights tomorrow. Happy coding!